Take a quick dive into the setup of MystNodes. So what you do is, after you've downloaded the app, you simply hit it so that you have it installed. So it's getting installed in the background. Okay, so once it's installed, you're gonna be walked through these steps. Okay, so and while you sleep, sell your unused bandwidth and earn crypto passive income. Myst can hit on board, and then you hit continue, and just like that, it's connected, as you can see on top there. So it's saying, welcome node runner, let's get you up and running. Quick onboarding, the easy way to set up and start running your node. It will guide you through the onboarding, node claiming and password setting process with just a few clicks of a button. So you hit I agree, then you hit start. Okay, so once you click there, this is the new page that will load up. So the next thing that you need to do is you log into the account that you had created before you downloaded the app. So I'm gonna punch in the credentials and then hit enter. I guess that is login. When you get to this page, the next thing that you need to do is to submit the Ethereum wallet's address. So what we'll do is we'll make use of Trust Wallet, because we need to make use of the Polygon network, and Trust Wallet offers that. So let's head on to Trust Wallet. All right, so I'm right here in Trust Wallet. So what I will do is I will click receive. Then on top there, I will punch in the network that I need. If I check through those options that are at the bottom, I will find Polygon. So here it is. Okay, so here it is. What I'll do is I will click it, then I will copy the address that I'll see there. Then after copying the address, I will head back to the interface of MystNodes and then paste in that address. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm back on MystNodes. So what I'll do is I'll click here where it reads enter your ERC20 wallet, just right here, and then I will confirm. Okay, so now before this, you will see a password that they will flash to you. You'll need to copy that, and after copying it, you click OK. You'll find yourself here. So all you have to do here is you hit agree. Okay, and once you're done, this is what you will say. This will be the next page. Design price per gig 0.6586 Myst. Price per hour 0.0000 Myst. Service earnings, all that, and you're gonna see all this. Mysterious VPN app, user traffic. You can actually turn all these on so as to maximize your earnings. On, it's been turned on. You can also turn on B2B VPN, turn on this. Like I said, all these have been turned on. Okay, so once you're done with all these settings, what you will need to do is you sit back and relax. You'll just be waiting on the tokens to be dropped in your wallet. Okay, so in the next videos I'll be showing you how to withdraw from here, and of course, for you to maximize your earnings, you can actually refer people, invite people. When people are clicking the link, you will be awarded with 4 Myst. Well, thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.